All right. So my name's Wayne Baker. I'm with DJI. I'm a retired fire chief or recovering fire chief. And one of the great things that I always wanted to see come about was a solution where I could do drone as a first responder, as it's been called. And we've seen it not just for that in public safety, but a lot of different industries. And what we have is this is our Dock 2 solution with the drone that can come in a thermal variant, but it resides here in this hangar, as it were, that closes up, that can protect it. The aircraft itself has an IP55 rating, and what is great is you can have autonomous flights where you have planned flight routes. In one case, we installed it or worked with a company who installed it at a solar farm. And so now what's great about that is if they had hail damage, a hailstorm come through, they could fly that facility, again with the thermal, even on just regular normal inspection operations, and see what is damaged. And where a lot of the cost savings come from is now, instead of sending a tech to the site to evaluate, they have to figure out what is damaged, come back, get the supplies to make that repair, then go back to the site. Now they're able to get a more detailed idea of what they need to bring with them for the repair. So you shorten that repair time, getting the facility back in service, and you don't have that cost of labor of back and forth on the travel. We've seen construction facilities to mining operations where this can be utilized, as well as, again, back to public safety operations. We've even seen where mall security or security for construction sites are utilizing these to monitor the property, keep the site secure, and so a lot of just incredible uses for this aircraft. Again, IP55 rated, has a thermal variant, and can be operated manually or through just different software solutions like our Flight Hub 2, where you can have autonomous flight routes, different things like that.